IVE and Saweetie. Did not expect them to actually collab. Actually, I did not know that. I mean, I think I've heard of it, like that they were in the works of it, but at the same time, I didn't know when it was coming out until now. Actually, till yesterday, and I'm like, all right, let's see how this goes. This supposedly it's a remake of the song from Iconic Pop. Let's just check it out. In 3, 2, 1. Hey girls, Icy girl, need your help ASAP. Saweetie Inc. Fund quota is down. Come straight to my office when you get here. Star kissy face.
It's the icy girl with the eyebrows. We always dreamed about this better life, this better life. We always
Oh, they bought out the song, it seems like. Was that supposed to be pixelated? I'm guessing. IVE, Department of Pop Stars, Special Task Force, of course. Queen, let's go.
paradise, yeah, paradise. Now let's go walking hand in hand. Come on, baby, we can.
Okay. Okay, outfits be outfitting. But don't ask me, I'm no fashion. Damn, to-do list. Do it 8 a.m. We could not do this all night. This is not, no. What is this? That is too much of a that's a longer list than Santa Claus, bro. What does it say? File quarterly report, design company low, research target market, build file boxes in the office, wind chair races in the hallway. That's something I could do. Boy, I could be zooming in that beat. Appoint office jargon translator, develop content calendar, register for. Okay, we get it. Basically, build a brand. Let's go. Okay, we on Apple camera. What?
We could do this all night.
This literally sounds like the actual other song, though. Like the original. A little bit different, though. Aw, okay, Wanyong, I see you. That's my birthday twin. Okay, Saweetie. What? Damn. Damn.
Got me speeding through the city like you shot your shot and it sounded like looking at the stars with a nice
You shot your shot and it sounded like. If you don't know what means, it's like when you hit that swish in a basket. Do you know basketball? I don't know. But anyways, let's go back. Yeah. Yeah, Miss Mel. Damn, girl.
You shot your shot and it sounded like looking at the stars with a nice view.
Okay, well, I'm in the background there. I love it when you have a collab with the actual artists together, which is fire. Ooh. Bite dust? Damn, she looking good though. Is that all of not IVE, I was about to say Icy. Ice girl? No. Saweetie? Oh, okay, it's a party in the office. This is all night. Okay, we got more Saweetie. I love that. I love the interactions. Ooh, oh, they be taking pictures. They basically had literally a fun time making this. We can do this. How tall is Saweetie? Whoa. Actually, IVE is pretty tall. Taller than me. At least, at least 3 members are taller than me, I think, from what I remember. Saweetie's the only thing different from the original so far. I feel like that, yeah. Because they're saying the exact lyrics, right? And the beat's kind of similar, no? But you just have IVE in replacement. Bro, this part's like if IVE has you hostage or something like that. Like you're in the center, like tied up to the chair. I mean, that little like 360 kind of like camera deal. all night. This feels like it would be part of a movie too. I'm pretty sure the song has been part of the movie, no? They look good.
You've reached the voicemail of
Oh my god, y'all just...
Saweetie. We're out of the office right now. You can try to leave us a message, but we may not get back to you.
Damn. Way they are unadulting in the elevator. Bro, they just having a good time, to be honest. So Saweetie did kill that part, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, let me see her rap again. She started off with singing too. Of course, you know, a little auto-tune. No, just auto-tune. Or like a echo effect. She looking fine though. I love Saweetie.
Got me speeding through the city like you shot your shot and it sounded like looking at the stars with a nice view. Where the gummies at trying to catch a vibe with you. Hey, coming through the spot.
Where the gummies at trying to catch a vibe with you.
With my icy girls, red lips, Birkin bag in the newest Manolos. All my baddies get the bag, I ain't fucking with dodos. Baddest bitch online, but I look better than my photos. Put your lighters up, throwing dirt on my name, make 'em bite the dust. Yes, Diamante with the diamond cut. We could go.
Her choker is kind of crazy. Her choker is kind of crazy. It's a good vibe. I see what you mean, but it's a vibe for sure. It's a vibe.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.